GM fam, let's talk about Conic Finance. Throughout all of 2022, it's been a terrible year for prices and everything, but Conic Finance has been building steadily in the background, pushing towards this promise of Omnipools. Omnipools allow for single-sided staking within a Curve finance pool. So say, for example, the asset is Frax. The Conic governance team is going to decide which particular Frax pools will be the recipients of the Frax, and they have an algorithm which will automatically apportion it and balance it according to the different weights as voted on by the DAO. So the DAO is pretty critical, and the DAO is holding a number of key votes throughout all of December. Some of you got a Conic airdrop and can vote on this. We urge everybody to vote on this because you have an easy way to shape the early direction of the protocol. And it also looks as if it's very close to launching. According to the governance forum, they're about 2 weeks away from an audit. If the audit goes well, then they're planning to launch shortly thereafter. So hence why there's all this governance activity at the moment. As for what the Conic token is going to do, we couldn't possibly guess on that, but we do write down what we found out for subscribers. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing, support independent journalism, support PackDAO. We'll have some announcements on that perhaps soon. But in the meantime, everyone know that single-sided staking is maybe a bit controversial in terms of people don't know if it's actually going to work without losses for LPs. So just be very careful and make sure to not rely on the internet for financial advice, but a registered financial advisor. Take care.